Arian here of Potentials.com, signing at our channels. So let's continue studying the book of John Granby. What your mother couldn't tell you and your father didn't know. So, yung lesson natin today is Ripples of Love. So, yung story ni Sir John Gray is, sabi niya, as he was writing this section, sabi niya, my wife told me something outside in the backyard that needed to be fixed after lunch. So, I quickly figured that it would only take 5 minutes at the most. So, 5 minutes lang daw, magagawa niya na yung ina-ask ng kanyang wife. So, going straight to my toolkit, I pulled out a hammer and told her, I'll fix it. So, after this, na-feel niya na yung wife niya was so happy. She had a smile on her face that would stay with me for hours. So, for just the 5 minutes na grinan niya kagad yung request ng wife niya, parang he had an hours of joy kasi masaya yung wife niya. Although we both love each other, without these little expressions of love, it is hard to experience or feel the love. Kaya nga, ripples of love. So sometimes, the small things matters. Hindi po porket the task is just minimal or irrelevant, wala na po sa amin. So, we feel that you gave us importance is masaya na po kami when you give that time and quality to our everyday. It is like sitting in a warm bathtub or spa. If you don't move the water, you stop feeling the heat. But with a simple movement, you feel the ripples of warmth. So, yun po. So, yan, the small things matters, my friend. For us, no, we appreciate when our partner or our husband or our boyfriend gives us this special attention. Sabi niya, it is the simple ripples that make a woman feel special. By taking 5 minutes, yung wife niya felt special more than my work. So, more than the 5 minutes, yung feelings of love, feeling her loving response to my loving behavior made me feel more relaxed and happy as well. So, everybody happy, stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.